Plug in the blue compressor line to power the CNC. Press the green button near this port to turn on machine. While the machine is loading up, put your material on the bed and put 2 screws through your material and into the MDF on the bed to hold it into place. If you don't do this, your material will move during cutting and engraving and cause damage. Console will go through a bunch of wake-up codes. Let them go through this. Click Enter to find the origin. The machine will go home to its bottom left origin. If you get to this screen, it means a tool is still in the machine. Put something like a bin under the spindle head to catch it as it falls out. Not your hands. Click the green button on the side of the spindle to release the tool. When you get to the warm-up spindle screen, hit Enter key to start warm-up. Enter is the yellow arrow button. It takes 6 minutes to warm up the spindle, which is the mechanism that holds your CNC tools. When you are ready to cut, turn this dust collector on, using the right switch on the wall. To find your file, pause, and follow these instructions. The machine had an automatic tool changer drawer. It will go and grab the appropriate tool. If you are ever in the drawer, make sure you put tools back in the space they came from, or it will throw the system out. When the machine is not cutting, you can click function 32 and enter on the console to put tools back in. Press the green start button a second time to begin cutting. Ensure you are wearing safety glasses and ear protection if staying in the room.